Living the life of your dreams. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. Are you living the life of your dreams? Are you dreaming about your life every day? Do you have a plan for living the life of your dreams? That's what this video is all about. So I'm going to talk about how you can create the life of your dreams with simple practices, because that's what I do. So think about your dreams for a second. I don't know if you wake up and remember your dreams. I do, almost every morning. So if you wake up and you have dreams just fresh in your mind, I suggest writing them down. Write them down, get them out of your head. They have some meaning for them. But this is not just about your dreams at night. And, frankly, do you have control over your dreams at night? Do you think about what you want before you go to sleep? If you don't, that is one of the easiest ways to create the life of your dreams. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. A rabbit is right here. So think about that. If you're going to go to sleep, you're going to shut down the part of your mind that's doing the thinking, the conscious mind. Then you can actually plant a seed in your mind and dream about it. So the greatest time to do that is just before you go to sleep. And then you can pivot overnight. So meaning if you had a challenge or a problem or something's not working out for you, you can focus your mind on what it is that you want just before drifting off to sleep. And then your mind will do that work overnight. It'll help you pivot. And then you'll start seeing that you're living the life of your dreams. Things are happening. And your mind will do the work overnight, each and every night, if you do this work that I was just suggesting. The other thing is, most people don't have a plan for their life. They don't have a life plan, a lifestyle plan or a life plan. I wrote one back in 1999. And I found somebody's program and I took it and I wrote my life plan. And so I wrote this life plan and I didn't really focus my attention on it. And for the past 20 years, I have been experiencing these things in my life that I wrote in my life plan, which is pretty amazing when you think about it. I just wrote it, I wrote it in a document. I typed it out, I printed it out, but I didn't focus my attention on it. That's where things fell off. Now I do things differently. Now I actually go to the end of my life and think about how I want to be remembered by my family, my friends, my clients, everybody that's in my circle of influence that matters to me. I put them on this plan. And then when I put them on that plan, now I know exactly what I need to do on a daily, monthly basis, yearly basis, just to create the life of my dreams. Without that, what am I working towards? If I want my children to remember me for being the greatest father ever, playful, fun, lighthearted, spontaneous, then I better start doing those things on a regular basis. But I need to have a plan for that. So if you don't have a plan, I'm going to give you a copy of my book, Living the Life of Your Dreams. It's going to be below. I'll post it after this video, and you'll have it. You can grab it, and you can use it to create the life of your dreams. It's a simple book. It's only 80 minutes to read if you are a fast reader, or even if you're not a fast reader. But it's a great tool so that you can create your life plan, because if you don't have one, you're just going to be reacting to what's going on in the world around you. You're going to be mentally blind. That's the term, mental blindness disease. Everybody has it. You don't need to have it. You can create the life of your dreams. So I'm going to post it below. Grab it. It's down there. Just click and grab it. You can go in. All you need to do is click the link. It's going to take you to Messenger, and you can just grab it right away. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, check that out. I do have many other videos like this that will help you live the life of your dreams. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.